How to check if you have an SSD or HDD on Windows 10. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, we will be discussing how to check if you have an SSD or HDD on your Windows 10. So now, let's start by checking your hard drive type. First of all, click the Windows Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen and right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in a compact view, click the arrow at the bottom to expand it and show more details. Once you have the expanded view, go to the Performance tab. Here you will find information about your CPU, memory, and disk drives. If you have multiple disk drives, they will be listed here. Click on one of the disk drives to see its type on the right side of the window. It will indicate whether it's an SSD or an HDD. If the drive type is not visible in Task Manager, try updating your Windows 10 and that information should appear. So this is how we can check if you have an SSD or HDD on your Windows 10. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.